Hello everyone, today I'm gonna be showing you how you can easily adjust your microphone volume on Windows. So let's just get started then. Okay, there's two options you have for this. First, you can go down to you see your sound icon here on the bottom right corner, and then you can right click it and open sound settings. You can also just go on settings over here, and then you can go on system, sound, and you can adjust your microphone volume over here. If it's still too quiet, there's still another setting you can do. For that, you have to go to advanced, and then you have to click on more sound setting, and then you would have to go to recording, and then you have to right click the microphone you're using and then go properties. And then you could go on levels, and you see right here, you can change your microphone boost. The higher, the louder your microphone will become, and the lower, lower your microphone will become. Most of you probably have this set on 0. Anyways, that's it for this video, and I hope you enjoyed. Bye bye.